In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book Agoda using GCash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to book any hotels, homes and apartments or long stays available on Agoda and pay using your GCash card or account. All that you have to do is go over here and start the search. You will be able to browse through all of the results, and most of these will offer GCash as one of the available payment methods. For you to find the option to pay with GCash, you have to proceed all the way to the checkout page where you are ready to reserve your specific room. So add the item to your cart or click book now, and you will be able to input all of the necessary information such as the contact information, the payment option, and then all of the other details below. Usually you want to select pay later, and as long as you choose this option, you will be able to find GCash. But as you can see, you can also choose to pay now with a credit card or other payment methods below. Just try out whichever option is best for you and you will be able to check for GCash. But I know pay later for sure offers GCash. So once you fill out all of the contact information and you proceed, you will find yourself at the second step, payment information. You will have credit/debit card, and then under digital payment, you will see GCash. So as you can see right here, you have GCash, Maya, Afterpay, and PayPal. And as long as you choose GCash from the digital payment methods, you will be able to proceed. You have chosen to pay by GCash, you will be forwarded to the GCash website to proceed with this transaction. The total amount you will be charged is displayed here, so you can clearly check the amount, see if any fees were added, and as long as you are ready to pay, just click book now. Like the text suggests, you will be redirected to GCash where you can finish your booking. If you are doing this process on any mobile devices, you might be redirected to the app instead, but as long as you follow the instructions on screen, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to book Agoda using GCash. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.